Hello everyone, welcome to Full Course Online. In today's video, I will show you how to download and install Audacity on your Windows computer step by step. Let us begin the download process. Open your web browser. You can use Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, or Mozilla Firefox. In the address bar at the top, type audacityteam.org and press enter. Once the website opens, look at the top menu and click on the download option. You will see different operating systems listed, such as Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. Click on Windows. Another page will open, which says, Download for Windows. Different installer files are available. We are going to download the 64-bit version. Click on Download. The download will start automatically. If your browser asks whether you want to save the file, click Save. Wait for the download to complete. After it finishes, open the exe file to start the installation. First, you will be asked to choose a language. Select your preferred language, for example English, and click OK. You will now see the welcome screen of the setup wizard. Click Next. You will see the license agreement. Since Audacity is open source software, it uses a free software license. Click Next to continue. Now the installer will ask you to choose the installation location. By default, it will install in the Program Files folder on your C drive. It is recommended to keep the default location unless you have a specific reason to change it. Click Next. On the next screen, you may see options such as creating a desktop shortcut. Make sure the option to create a desktop shortcut is checked. This will allow you to easily open Audacity from your desktop. Click Next. Now you will see a summary of your installation settings. Click Install. The installation process will begin. Wait for a few seconds while the files are copied to your computer. Once the installation is complete, you will see a message saying that the setup is finished. Make sure the option to launch Audacity is checked, then click Finish. Audacity will now open automatically. When it opens for the first time, you will see the main interface with menus at the top and toolbars below. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.